I've been in the industry for a long time, and trust me, there's a lot of things I wish someone told me before I got started and launched my company. So today we're breaking down 8 things that'll help you when launching your roofing company. Let's get started. Number 1, pricing jobs correctly. Too many roofers underbid jobs just to get jobs, and then they realize on the back end they're not making any money. Know your prices and pricing accordingly. Number 2, cash flow is king, but cash is not king. Cash can only get you so far when building your business. You need to build credit with your company. You need to build credit with your suppliers. Know when taking cash is too much. Number 3, marketing is half the battle. Being a great roofer doesn't matter if nobody knows who you are. Invest in good yard signs, postcards, door hangers, folders to leave behind with homeowners. Good marketing, good branding is gonna get your name out there so you can get hired. Number 4, you can't do everything. Hire smart. Trying to do sales, installs, office work, billing, it's too much. Train a good team, learn to delegate. Number 5, insurance work is not easy and it's not easy money. Despite what it appears to be on the outside, having a clear, clean claims process is not easy to establish. Know the system you want to implement, make sure you execute it and do it the same every time. Number 6, customers pick the best salespeople, but not always the best roofers. If you can educate your team to be the expert in roofing and in sales, you're going to be successful. Number 7, warranties matter more than you think. Customers want peace of mind. Get a strong warranty system. Make sure you're offering it to all your customers to show the confidence in your work. Number 8, train your crew or lose money. A well-trained team minimizes mistakes, minimizes extra expenses, and keeps customers happy. Invest in your team. If you're thinking about starting a roofing company, keep these things in mind. It can be a hard, tough road, but if you can come out on the other end successful, it's extremely rewarding and build great relationships along the way. If you need help with your roof, give us a call. TSM Roofing, we got you covered. 623-213-8267. Look forward to talking to you. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It helps us keep bringing you this great roofing content. Thanks for watching. TSM Roofing, we got you covered.